Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting and decor and makeovers. And today I'm going to be focusing on makeovers. So it's early spring. We're still in winter. It's still cold weather, but it's starting to get a bit perkier. Easter's on the horizon. We can see it coming. So it's time to spring clean and freshen everywhere up. So I'm starting in the powder room. I'm just showing you here as it was for Christmas. So we got our cozy pictures and our winter pictures. And we've pretty much kept it the same since then. I've took out the flashing Christmas tree and the angels, but we've kept in the pics and kept the sort of the winter vibe going. But obviously we want to freshen it up now. I feel it's a bit too early to go straight for Easter, so we're going to go for a nice modern refresh. So as you can see here, the walls are green. And we're going to change them to a nice light grey. Also, the towel rail there that's in silver, I think we're going to spray that black and probably do the same for the toilet roll holder as well. I was thinking about spraying that unit there, but I might actually, we'll see what happens. So here we are, got my stuff ready for painting. This is what it looks like. I've took all the pictures off. So this is the green walls. So we're going to say bye to the green and we're going to say hi to Hamptons. A nice silk paint from B&Q. Should be lovely. So I've cut in and now I'm going to get rolling. Okay, so you can see that wall's still green. This wall's now Hamptons, so it's a very light grey. It looks quite white actually, but it'll dry a bit greyer, I think, when it dries. But I'm liking it. It's looking nice and fresh and modern and clean, and that's what we want. So I've painted the copper pipes as well to try and mask them, and I think it does. And I think it's looking really nice, so I'm really pleased with that and how it's gone. It's a nice, easy, simple makeover to do because it's not a lot of walls to paint. But I am really pleased with how nice it looks. So I've used this multi-purpose spray paint black gloss finish from Poundland for £2, great bargain. And I've just sprayed the towel roll holder and the toilet roll holder, making them look nice and modern and new without having to go and buy new ones. So here we are, the walls are finished. It's looking really nice. As I say, you can't see the pipes now because I've just gone over them slightly. It looks fresh, it looks clean. I'm really pleased. So I'm now going to get in all the lovely decor. Here's the light pole. It was there before, but I think it goes nice with the scheme. It's white with lovely black writing on. And we've picked out all the black elements. We had that mirror as well before, and the shelf, but now our toilet roll holder and our towel holder matches. So I think that looks fantastic. And then we've gone with a black and white towel. So it's all nice and coordinated and looking lovely. And I think that looks fantastic. I've done the toilet roll a little bit fancy. And all the picture frames are black as well. And I really like that. Welcome, please seat yourself. It's a nice little cute but sort of cheeky sign. And then these prints, I'm really pleased with. They're vintage, risque legs, but I think they look really nice in a bathroom. I will put in the description where I got them from, the page I got them from, because they're free, and I just printed them off and put them in the frame, and I think they look fabulous. And there's loads of different legs, and there's loads of other things on there as well. I always think free printables are a fantastic resource. You don't have to go out and buy lots of expensive things. And it means you can change your pictures more often as well. So here's the shelf, nice and fresh and clean. I've still got a little house on there, Got this beautiful bar of soap that my friend Anna bought me for Christmas. It smells gorgeous, so I've put it in here. I'm very I don't really want to use it as soap, so I'm just using it as a room fresher at the moment. We might resort to using it eventually. Got a nice little plant, and then I thought some little toiletries. Got hand cream and a Bath and Body Works another hand cream, and then a bit of perfume, because when you're in the bathroom it's nice to just freshen up, and when you've washed your hands put a bit of hand cream on. Also, because it's in the hall, when we're going out, we're getting our shoes on in our little area outside the door, you can pop in and get a bit of perfume if you want, or if you pop to the toilet before you go out, a bit of perfume on. So I thought that's nice, and it looks beautiful as well. And then, as always, I have my Bath and Body Works hand wash, Sweet Mint and Rain. I'm looking forward to using that. I've just put that in there. And then under here, I've got a sachet, a woodland sachet, just to add a bit of scent, and also just to hide the pipes a little bit as well. Although, as I say, now I've painted them, they don't stand out as much. And then I've got my Fortnum & Mason's hamper. I'm making use of that. So it's holding the towels, toilet roll, another hand wash, and the toilet wipes, and anything else that needs to go in there. And I think it's much nicer than the little unit that we had before, because that took up a lot of room, because we were originally going to paint the unit black and put it back in, but I think actually that's quite nice. So we're going to go with that for now. And I think it looks fantastic. So there's a lovely spring refresh, and it just feels fabulous in there now. The colour's great, very modern, fresh and clean, and it all feels ready for a nice new season. So we're starting to feel springy, and I'm getting the spring cleaning bug. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps me out, and it means a lot. Also, this isn't the only thing for today. We did a little bit of a refresh in the living room as well, so stay tuned and see what I did to the mantelpiece. So I thought, while I had the Hamptons paint out, why not paint the mantelpiece with it? Because we did the mantelpiece refresh a couple of weeks ago, and we did think the outer bit needed painting. So we thought, well, let's go for the Hamptons. Seems it's out, and I think it looks really nice. So really pleased with that, fresh and modern. And we've gone and got a new rug from Primark, £35. I think it looks beautiful, and it feels really soft and lovely. And it just gives the whole room a completely different look. It's funny how just changing a small few things can just brighten everything up. So we will be doing more for spring, and adding in, Easter decor and more spring decor as the weeks go on. But we've just done this refresh, painted the mantelpiece, got the new rug in, and I think it's all looking lovely. Still need the candles and the cosy fire, because it's not that warm yet. But I think it looks really nice. It's a subtle difference, but it's definitely a difference. So Big Ted and Beanie, our resident teddy bears, are down enjoying the new rug and mantelpiece also. And as I say, I'm just so pleased with how it looks. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I will see you next week for my next video. Bye bye, take care.